Hello students, once again welcome to the English literature class. This is class 12 and I'm going to continue with that very same book ISC short stories echoes. Okay, a collection of ISC short stories and that very same story B. Wordsworth written by V.S. Naipaul. In my last video I have already given introduction. I already gave introduction about the poet, about the author, and in this video I am going to continue with that same story. Now you all know the narrator of the story, a small boy, and the boy's mother was a very hospitable lady. She used to give alms to every beggar. One day a strange man visited their house, and that man did not want any alms. Instead he wanted to watch the bees, and that man, later we come to know that man's name was Black Wordsworth. Okay, B. Wordsworth, B stands for Black Wordsworth. Now let's continue. That stranger is asking the boy, "Why, boy, why? You will know when you grow up. When you will grow up, you will know everything." Okay, the stranger is telling the narrator, "You are a poet too, you know." And the stranger is telling the boy that you are a poet. And when you are a poet, you can cry for everything. When you become poet, you can cry for everything. Now the boy become puzzled and asking that I could not, and asking the question that I could not laugh, because small boys, they want to laugh, they don't want to cry. He said, you like your mother." Then he is asking the next question that whether you like your mother or not. And the boy gave a very quick reply that when she is not beating me. I love my mother when she doesn't beat me. Then what did that stranger do? He pulled out a printed sheet from his hip pocket. Okay, he pulled out a printed sheet from his hip pocket and said, "On this paper is the greatest poem about mother." What did he give? A poem. And poem about a mother. I'm going to sell it to you at a bargain price for 4 cents. And that stranger told that I want to sell this poem for 4 cents. The narrator went inside and said, "Ma, you want to buy a poetry for 4 cents?" Narrator asked mother. And mother became very angry and told that, "Tell that blasted man to howl his tail away from my yard. You hear?" And the mother is telling, "Tell that man to go away." Mother is telling to the child, "Okay, tell that man to go away. I said to be Wordsworth, my mother says she ain't have 4 cents. Now the child returned to the stranger and told that mother is not interested to buy the poem as the mother doesn't have the 4 cents. B. Wordsworth saying that it's a poet's tragedy. He became sad, he became sad and telling that it's a poet's tragedy. And he put the paper back in his pocket. He did not seem to mind. Okay, but he did not seem to mind. I said, it's a funny way to go around selling poetry like that. Then the child is telling to the narrator that's a not narrator, sorry. The child is telling to the stranger that it is a funny way to go around selling poetry like that. Only who does all these things? Only Calipotians. Look, only Calipotians do that sort of thing. Now, what is this Calipotian? This Calipotian means it is a style of poetry, okay, and it is a British English style of music, okay. Calipotians do that sort of thing. The child is telling only Calipotians do that sort of thing. A lot of people does buy. He said no one has yet brought a single copy. Now what is the stranger replying? No one. Okay, no one has brought a single copy of my poetry. But why do you just keep on going round then? Then the child is asking that then why do you go on keeping round like this? He said, in this way, I watch many things. Now, what is the stranger's reply? He goes on selling poetry, and in this way, he watches many things. I also hope to meet poets. I said, you really like things. I is a poet. You are as good as me, he said. And when B. Wordsworth left, okay? And after B. Wordsworth left, I prayed I would see him again. And what did the child want? He wanted to see that man again. About a week later, okay? About a week later, coming back from school one afternoon, I met him at the corner of Miguel Street. He used to pray to God, the child used to pray to God so that he could meet B. Wordsworth again, and God listened to his prayer, and one day, once again, he met B. Wordsworth. Okay, up to this much. In my next video, I will continue with the later part. Okay, till then, goodbye.